What if this is the last time you ever hear a naturally aspirated V8 echo through the mountains from a factory-built off-road machine? What if this isn't just another Wrangler, but the final chapter of an era that will never return? Meet the 2026 Jeep Wrangler 392, the last V8-powered Wrangler ever built and one of the final true mechanical icons in a world that's rapidly going silent. Before we go any further, ask yourself this: when everything becomes electric, quiet, and digital, will you miss machines like this? Drop a comment right now and tell me yes or no, because once this one is gone, it's gone forever. The Wrangler 392 was never supposed to exist. A 6.4-liter naturally aspirated HEMI V8 inside a boxy, removable door off-road legend sounds like something engineers would laugh at in a meeting. But Jeep didn't laugh, they built it. And in 2026, this isn't just a vehicle anymore, it's a farewell tour. Turn the key, and the engine doesn't wake up politely, it detonates. A deep, chest-punching rumble that vibrates the ground beneath you. This isn't synthetic sound pumped through speakers. This is real combustion, real explosions, real mechanical violence happening inches from your boots. And that sound is exactly what the future is trying to erase. Under the hood lives a 6.4-liter V8 producing nearly 470 horsepower and massive torque, sent through a full-time four-wheel drive system built to crawl, climb, and conquer. 0 to 60 happens in around 4 seconds, which makes absolutely no sense for something shaped like a refrigerator on 35-inch tires. But speed isn't the point, character is. This Wrangler doesn't glide, it charges, it lunges, it feels alive in a way no electric drivetrain ever can. There's heat, there's vibration, there's feedback. Every throttle input has consequences, and that's what makes it unforgettable. Look at the exterior, and you can tell this isn't a normal Wrangler. The functional hood bulge exists because it has to. The high-mounted exhaust is tuned so it can roar without choking on water crossings. Heavy-duty axles, reinforced drive shafts, massive brakes, all designed to survive what this engine unleashes. Ask yourself this: how many modern vehicles are built to handle excess instead of efficiency? Take the Wrangler 392 off-road, and the experience becomes almost surreal. Rock crawling with a V8 isn't about finesse, it's about authority. You don't gently persuade obstacles, you overwhelm them. The throttle responds instantly. No delay, no computer guessing your intentions, just your foot and the engine's answer. And when you climb, the sound echoes through canyons like a warning shot. Wildlife scatters, mountains respond. This isn't eco-friendly exploration, this is old-school domination. Inside, it's still a Wrangler. Upright seating, rugged materials, and exposed bolts that remind you this thing is meant to be used, not coddled. But there's a sense of ceremony now. You know every time you drive it that you're participating in something temporary. Touchscreens can be updated, software can be patched, but this feeling, it will never be recreated. Because this is the last Wrangler that doesn't care about range anxiety, the last one that doesn't whisper, the last one that doesn't apologize for existing. Jeep knows it too. That's why the 392 isn't pretending to be the future. It's standing proudly as a monument to the past. A past where machines were loud, imperfect, emotional, and unapologetically mechanical. Against rivals, the Wrangler 392 doesn't compete on paper, it competes on soul. There are faster vehicles, there are quieter ones, there are more efficient ones, but none of them feel like this. None of them make you stop, listen, and smile before you even start moving. And that's why collectors are paying attention, because this isn't just the end of a model, it's the end of a mindset. The mindset that believed vehicles should make you feel something, even if that feeling wasn't logical. So here's the uncomfortable question. When this era is over, what will we tell ourselves we gained in exchange for what we lost? One day, kids will hear recordings of engines like this and ask what it was like, and only a few people will be able to say, "I was there, I heard it, I felt it." The 2026 Jeep Wrangler 392 isn't just a farewell, it's a warning, a reminder, a final roar before silence takes over. And when that V8 finally goes quiet, the mountains will remember. If you believe machines like this should never disappear, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who still loves real engines. Comment below, would you keep this Wrangler forever, or would you trade it for the electric future? This is the 2026 Jeep Wrangler 392. Not just an off-road icon, but the final heartbeat of an era.